Whoiskingshawn is live.
YouTube, what's up? It's Whoiskingshawn, and we're back again with another banger. I got a quick video for y'all. It's a topic that I get this question asked all the time. People are telling me today, this year, last year, years before, why do I have so many credit cards? We all know I have over 35 credit cards when it comes to personal credit and business credit. Now, this journey started back in the summer of 2016 when I wanted to change my mindset and really scale my life to the next level. But it started with me, right? And it started with this credit card right here. This is Capital One, man. People always ask, why do I still have this card? This was the first card, but actually it was the secured card, which I kept for 6 months and turned into the platinum card. Back then you would deposit like $49. They'll give you a limit of $200. And after 6 months, they will unsecure it, change the card, upgrade it to the platinum and return your deposit, right? I always keep it as you see right above. I got over 9 years. This journey started in 2016 and it started with this guy right here. If you see him, the late great Nipsey Hussle. A lot of times people are seeing me do the video and they see right in the background, I got the picture on the wall of him, right? We're gonna get into everything, just bear with me. He got a quote right here, I'm gonna read it to y'all. Most important thing to get rid of doubt. If you got doubt in what you're doing, it's not gonna work, man. You gotta have faith, you gotta believe in what you're gonna do. He was the first man I seen talking about cryptocurrency in 2016. See, a lot of times in the world, people got hip to cryptocurrency probably around 2020, 2021, when everything went crazy with the Dogecoin. For those that know about the Doge phase, when the world went crazy, when they first heard about it, right? Because this is a long-term game. You know, it could go up, it hit a penny, 2 pennies, 3 pennies, 4 pennies. The world went crazy. At no point did I say, hey, I'm gonna sell, because I understood the value of cryptocurrency. This video is not about that. We're gonna get back to the cards, but I just want you to get an understanding, because a lot of times people always see that picture and people say, well, I always talk about the late great Nipsey Hussle. 2016, it was nobody online speaking about cryptocurrency like that. He had plenty of interviews. He even went to London and partnered up with a company in cryptocurrency years ago, a little over. He'd been passed about 6 years ago, but about 8 years ago, 7, 8 years ago. That's a whole nother story. We'll talk about that one day. But again, the second card I got was the Mission Lane, right? A lot of times today, people consider this as a garbage credit card, but I never get rid of it. Why? Because it has the history, as you see right above. Again, close to 9 years, right? So I don't get rid of these things. I don't pay no annual fees. A lot of the cards that have annual fees today, I don't pay annual fees. Why? Because I understand the game. You build a relationship with these cards and you let them know, hey, after a year, man, I'm thinking about canceling this card. You know, they want to work with you because they want to keep the business going. And they're going to try to ask you questions, try to figure out, why do you want to cancel it? And a lot of the cards that I got approved for in this stack at the beginning of my journey, I will have to say, has annual fees. And every single one of them today in 2025, I have no annual fee. Same as this card right here. One of my best cards, the American Express Platinum card that we all know went up and charging an arm and a leg. I don't pay no annual fees. My gold card, I don't pay annual fees. I don't pay no annual fees. Why? Because I understand the game and I understand how to work with these credit card companies, right? And once you learn that, you'll understand how to really use these cards, use it to benefit, use it for investments, liquidate them. It's so many different things you could be using these credit cards. Sometimes people get these credit cards and max them out, right? Now, my third credit card, I'm gonna let you, we're not gonna go through that. I'm just trying to give you a little history so you can understand why I have all these credit cards, right? It's Truist. Now, this card wasn't Truist prior. For all those that's in Florida, South Carolina, Georgia, North Carolina area, you might have heard of a bank called SunTrust Bank, right? With SunTrust Bank, now the problem is Truist stepped up and basically bought them out. So this card eventually, when it was expired, they sent me a Truist credit card instead of SunTrust. So these cards is very important to me. At the time, I had an annual fee on that. I don't pay no annual fees at all. And again, you got to learn how to use all these different credit cards to make money, people. A lot of times I see people with 10 credit cards and 8 credit cards are maxed out. Now, all these credit cards I got, 35 credit cards, I don't hold no balances on personal credit. You know my feeling with that, right? You build your personal credit, then you start building your business credit, and you keep your debt on your business credit. Why? Because it don't show on your personal credit, right? So a lot of times when I'm giving updates of my credit scores of being of 800, 829, my credit utilization basically at 0 or 1%, people say, well, how do you do all these things? It's because most of my debt I keep on the business side, right? This is just a little hack that you could do if you're a person and you're trying to start a business, invest in something without it affecting your personal credit. So my personal credit is always gonna stay excellent, people. Why? Because my debt is sitting on the business where the banks can't see it. So this is the reason why I have so many credit cards, over 35. A lot of times at the beginning of my journey, I was just applying for cards that probably wasn't even worth it, but I was getting it because I was excited. I told a story how when I first started, I had over 9 collections. I had a car repo in 2014 that I refused to pay until 2016 because, again, of this man back in 2016 and watching the motivation, him speaking on cryptocurrency and him talking on how to elevate in life, I decided to change my mindset because he kept saying, if you don't change your mindset, nothing's never gonna change in your life. And that kind of stuck with me. So I started removing all the collection charge-offs, late payments myself. Out of 9 collections, I removed 7 of them, even a car repo. So again, you could do all this yourself. It just starts with you. And again, use these credit cards to invest. Do the right thing. Don't get these credit cards and be standing on a sneaker line waiting for the newest Jordan sneakers to drop, right? Don't be wasting your money going out, buying outfits, doing this, doing that, going on trips, going on cruises and stuff like that, but you have no kind of investments, people. You gotta start with investing. It's good to have credit cards. It's good to have the access to that money, but you got to know what to do with the money. And I think that's kind of the problem, what's going on in the world. People have cards, people have these different things, but don't know what to do, what to invest in. Stick with your passion and believe in yourself, and you could get to the top, but it starts with you. Stop being lazy and do the work. Go get your free ebook on my website, whoiskingshawn.com, and fix that credit. Get your free ebook, How to Build Your Business Credit. Not only the right way, but the proper way, A to Z, man. Get in the comments, tell me what you think, like, comment, subscribe. But for now, we up out of here. Peace. Rest in peace to the late, great Nipsey Hussle, the one that inspired me over 9.5 years to be where I'm at today. Peace. The marathon continues.